you. How you doing?
Yep. Alright, YouTube. Here comes another train. Amtrak 76.
I told you it's Amtrak northbound.
Yep. Idiot. Amtrak 76 is now arriving at the Cary station, running about 15 minutes late. Let's get
As
them.
usual.
Yep.
You know, you have to be very careful. What you're doing is a trespassing too.
Yeah.
Got him on?
And here they're making their station stop as filmed on departing.
Clear, let us park Cary, over.
Here they are, pulling out. Amtrak 76.
Let me clear, going to 66, Amtrak 76 out.
There goes another train northbound by Cary. The main track on the NS, Amtrak 76. Let's bring ourselves to the next train. Alright, YouTube, here comes another train. Amtrak 79, southbound by Cary, North Carolina. Came just after 76. Let's get them. And here they're making their station stop as filmed on departing. Here they are, pulling out Amtrak 79. And there goes another train southbound by Cary's Amtrak station, Amtrak 79. running 1 hour late. Thanks to 76 having to stop in Cary first, because both trains were supposed to stop in Cary at the same time, but 76 had to go first because of a green signal. Let's bring ourselves to the next train. Alright YouTube, here comes another train. We got NS 349. Southbound by Cary, North Carolina, passing by the Cary, North Carolina station. Let's get 'em. And low angle today. Hope you enjoy it. And there goes NS 349 southbound by Cary, North Carolina, on its way to Linwood, North Carolina. Nice power today. I believe a BNSF exclusive engine leading and a Ex-CSX engine trailing. Very nice power tonight. Let's bring ourselves to the next train. Alright YouTube, here comes another train, NS 351, southbound by Cary, North Carolina, on the main track on the NS track. Passing by the Cary Amtrak station. Let's get it. P41 southbound by Cary, North Carolina. Very short train today, very short. Union Pacific Edge on the lead, very nice. Let's bring ourselves to the next train.